Yeah, VapiCon is exciting. It was an idea the team had that, hey, what if we do like a conference? Like it feels like the community is growing, that we should get. Yeah, it's. I think everyone has a lot of excitement right now. So we wanted to just like gather and bottle that up. It's October 2nd, so that's kind of like terrifying. So in my head, I'm like still feel like a lot of simpler lives to lead. So the 5 years in that way can be feel long and hard. It's like, ugh, I'm going to spend my entire life just doing this. But at this point, I think I've made more peace with it. Like I enjoy this path. I enjoy the act of like trying to bring something new into the world, like trying to help the world in a new way. That's just my path and my life, and just trying to enjoy it now.
You and your co-founder Jordan joined YC 2021 winter, right? So it was still pandemic time, right?
Yep. Yeah.
How was the experience? Please share it.
Yeah. In the pandemic.
We had to wear mask.
Yeah. It was interesting. We actually did move. We came to San Francisco for the time of the batch. There was nothing going on. Actually, I've never seen SF so dead. That was that was crazy. You know, just walking around and it felt like a zombie land with nothing. So that was an interesting experience. But in terms of like us, we moved here just for the energy of like wanting to feel like we were close. It was all remote. There's a lot of meetings. It was also funny pitching to investors on Zoom. I guess it was nothing remarkable, honestly. Yeah, it went fine. I hear stories of like people who did earlier batches and they became like best friends in like the batch and then like went to each other's weddings and like that. I think we didn't get to form as deep bonds with the community. But I think YC offers three things: brand, mentorship, and community. You still get the same kind of brand, which helps you like raise and get customers. Mentorship, these partners have seen like hundreds of companies like fail, succeed, so that they can pattern match and provide inputs. It was still helpful. You can still do that through Zoom. And community was still like there in Slack. You could feel like the energy and the drive to like, you know, make something happen, but maybe not as deep. Yeah.
I see. So I come from a YC startup. It's called Byte Ninja. So they raised 16 million US dollars, but they failed.
Okay.
So many reasons. One, co-founder's problem. Like one co-founder was kicked out because of he hired like his friend who from like church.
Okay.
no experienced people and they paid expensive salary.
That sucks. Yeah. I think co-founder conflict is probably what the most common reason startups fail. It is sad and true. Like most startups die by homicide rather than murder. Yeah.
I see. Do you feel still member of YC community?
Absolutely.
Oh, really?
Probably deeper now because I think YC is really engaging with the community. There is so many also great companies like with AI, thanks to AI, like that are scaling, getting success. So it feels really vibrant right now. Yeah, I have a lot of friends going through YC. Yeah, I'm just so excited for the future. Yeah.
And then their founders could become your future
customers. Yes. They obviously like we look at every batch and what other YC companies, try to help them as much as we can. Yeah.
I see. So speaking of community, I noticed Vapi is so like enhancing community, developer community, and also fostering Vapi's community through the event, right? The VapiCon is happen, right? What is this?
Yeah, VapiCon is exciting. It was an idea the team had that, hey, what if we do like a conference? Like it feels like the community is growing, that we should get we should get like all the best like builders and talk about like what's going on, like, and everyone's like so curious, right? Like, what's going to happen? Like, where's the industry headed? Where's the speech-to-speech models coming in? Like, it's like just fun. I think everyone has a lot of excitement right now. So we wanted to just like gather and bottle that up. It's October 2nd, so
soon.
come.
Please
check
the Vapi.ai website.
Yeah, exactly. We're also very surprised by the interest of the community. So yeah, just generally exciting.
Almost our last question. So look back the 5 years. This year is your like 5th year as a Vapi, including previous company.
Yeah. We I think fifth I think year, and oh man, it's been such a journey. I don't know. Looking back on it, does it feel that long? Honestly, not. It's where I'm very much of a philosophy of one foot in front of the other. Yeah, just keep doing that.
I see.
Yeah, just keep walking. I guess like maybe one thing that was really pretty hard, or I constantly was like in my mind is like I would see my friends, and all my friends out of Waterloo they're doing very similar things. They have good jobs, like built good lives, and here you see yourself like struggling all the time, stressed, or just many struggles of feeling like a failure. And I think it's still like startups are. I think it can seem from the outside that these guys have figured something out, so it's like they're doing well, but like most of us will die. Like most startups will die, and none of the work that we do will have mattered. So that's kind of like terrifying. So in my head, I'm like still feel like a lot of simpler lives to lead. So the 5 years in that way can feel long and hard. It's like I'm going to spend my entire life just doing this. But at this point, I think I've made more peace with it. Like I enjoy this path. I enjoy the act of like trying to bring something new into the world, like trying to help the world in a new way. That's just my path and my life, and just trying to enjoy it now.
This is awesome. I know as a startup founder, like a huge responsibility, or tend to compare to like a kind of a similar founder situation, like next to garden is greener like this, you know. And then I know many people are like burned out. So, but you look so healthy and you enjoy your I love your fashion like style, like one of a kind. So how do you manage your mental health and physical health?
Sure. Yeah, I've meditated for a long time.
Meditation.
Meditation is really great. I meditated for a long time, and it's gotten more and more regular. Like
when did you start it?
Yeah, I started a long time ago, like 15 years ago. Like I started meditating as a kid. Yeah,
amazing.
But it became more regular probably in college or right after college, like especially startups. I think the more stressful it got, the more regular my practice got.
Yeah,
because it was a place for me to find solace and peace. Meditation is for me my safe harbor. There's other things as well. I love sports. I just enjoy moving around, running around. I love like the water. I love volleyball. It's just like there's a lot of energy and activity. Like the kid, just like let the kid in yourself like play. So I let myself enjoy things, and maybe that's the key to being on a hard path, being on an uncertain path. I think, I think a lot about like why it starts so hard, or what makes them hard, because technically, like it's just you wake up and you do stuff, and like we're just meatballs like doing stuff, I think it's like the uncertainty of like what's going to happen, what this means for my life and my future, and everyone else's future that relies on me. So the uncertainty is what's hard about it. But letting yourself like enjoy things in life, like meditation, sports, play, whether that's food for you, whether that's some friends, like that is pretty key for me. Number two, I think I've over time shifted my perspective from a negative motivation of like, oh, I hate the world and I need to fix it, to like, I'm really curious. So the uncertainty, like can be really scary, but if I frame it in the lens of like, I'm really curious what will happen, then it feels more fun and sustainable. Those two things come to mind. I've just never been a kind of that person too.
See. Thank you so much. So lastly, do you have any pain points currently as a co-founder of Vapi? If you have, maybe I could help you, or our audience also could help you.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. What's the top pain? Oh man, hiring is freaking impossible.
Really?
Hiring is so hard. Currently, we're looking for product engineers, so people who have just a great kind of. I think it's a really beautiful skill to be able to like talk to customers and like take their messy input and translate that to like a great product experience. And it's a rare skill too. It's very much like a core like founder skill. So we're looking for folks like that right now, and open to audience if there's any recommendations. That's probably what we say top pain, just growing the team.
I see, growing the team. So if you are interested into talk with Nikhil or just joining this team, please checking Nikhil's LinkedIn.
Yeah, absolutely. If you send me a LinkedIn and send me a message, I usually try to respond.
I see. Okay. Thank you so much for your wonderful time today.
Yeah, of course. Glad to be here. Hopefully people got some value out of it.
Yes. And please check the VapiCon too.
Yeah, thanks.
Bye-bye. Perfect. The 3 key takeaways from the conversation with Nikhil, part 2. 1. Startups are built on uncertainty, and peace comes from accepting that. After 5 years, Nikhil admitted that journey often feels like endless struggle, especially when comparing himself to friends with stable jobs. But he had learned to embrace the uncertainty of startup life as his chosen path, finding meaning in trying to bring something new into the world. 2. Reframe fear as curiosity. What makes the uncertainty survivable? Perspective. Instead of being crushed by the unknown, Nikhil chooses curiosity. I wonder what will happen. That simple shift makes founder journey more fun, sustainable, and energizing. Okay? 3. Meditation, play, and the power of recharge. Nikhil has meditated since childhood, and it's become his safe harbor during a stressful time. He also leans on sports, movement, and play to release energy. His advice: founders need to intentionally create joy and recovery practice, or burnout will win. Okay, thank you so much for watching our episode today. We hope this conversation will help your future and career. If you like it, please subscribe us and give your like. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye. またね。チャオ。